2020 model, 8,000 pound Toyota diesel. It has a single double on it now. We can put a side shifter on it. It does have 4-way hydraulics plumbed all the way to the carriage, which will make it convenient if you want to put a rotator, pushable, fork position, or side shift. It will come with the side shift though. Low hours. Really nice work. It has a cab on it with just heat and a fan. The doors come off very easily. So if you did want to do something else, then it's not a problem. Very few applications actually need that, so normally we have to pull those off and just put a side shifter on.